Single sign-on, or SSO, is super easy to use. Engage can be linked with Microsoft SSO, meaning that your users can log in with their Microsoft credentials instead of creating a separate password for Engage. To enable this, contact your Honeydew account manager. Once enabled, you'll need to link your Microsoft Active Directory with Engage in your Azure admin portal. Go to the Microsoft Entra ID Gallery and search for Engage Absence Management in Enterprise Applications. Add the application and configure the permissions as per your preferences. Once done, your authorized users can sign in using the Login with Microsoft button. Provided that their email also matches an active user in Engage, they will be granted entry. If they are logged out of their Microsoft account, they'll be asked to log in first.